In this very video, I want to talk about why you lose money trading and what to do always to avoid losing money trading Forex. It's easy to make a lot of money in the market and lose all simply because of some avoidable things that you are not able to do. One of those things is using bigger lot sizes because your account is growing. Remember, you are using the same leverage. Nothing has changed. It is easy to get a margin call when your account is growing and then you are increasing the lot sizes too big. When let's say your account moved from $500 to $2,000, you still have to increase the lot size accordingly. But once you increase the lot size above a certain limit and trades go against you, you'll find out that you'll be losing all the profits that you have already made. So it's always important here that you use smaller lot sizes. There is no small investment in the Forex market, because in Forex, the profit you could make a day is more than what any bank can offer you in a year once everything is in place. When market conditions are okay, in a week you can make a month target. So it's always important to be patient and use smaller lot sizes and not overtrade the account. 2, your account may be under what is called B book. Many times when retail traders deposit money or open accounts with smaller amount of money, those brokers that are market makers, they keep 2 type of trading accounts for their clients. One is B book and then A book. The A book, there is no problem with that because the prices and everything are coming direct from the liquidity provider. But the B book, this is how the B book works. The B book, the broker keeps the money. When you lose the money, he gets to take the money. When you make money, he has to pay. But A book, everything is from the market. When you lost the money goes to the market. When you make the money, the market pays you. So now, if your account is being B booked, it means that you'll be getting higher spreads. Your spread will be increasing. When you place a trade, your spread will increase. Your trade will stay, or you'll be making little profits and you'll be running into more losses than the profits. So it's always best to be able to place smaller lot sizes. Then you will be safe even when your account is being B booked. So it's important that you don't just place big lot sizes, because if they increase the margin against you, if they increase the spread and you have entered a big lot size, it's easy for the account to be wiped off. You can easily get a margin call and it will not take minutes for that account to be blown. So always use smaller lot size to avoid margin calls. Now, when you get a margin call and you have money, quickly what? Add money to what? The account to sustain the account, and when the trend changes, you can easily withdraw that money back. Third, placing many trades, which is called overtrading, because the market is volatile and you want to make all the money in a single day. Avoid this. Once you do this, you are going to lose money. This is one of the biggest mistakes that every trader makes, including myself. I'm talking out of experience, out of about 7 years trading the market full time. So I know what I'm talking about. As a trader, you are always tempted when market becomes volatile, the trend is moving and you are picking profits, and then you'll find out that it gets to a point where you get exhausted, so you can no more think straight. But you won't realize this, and you keep adding trades, and then the trend will turn against you and you end up losing the account. You lose all the money that you have made, including your capital. So it's always best to place fewer trades. 3 trades. If you really want to overtrade, it should be 4 positions on different pairs, and check your exposure, that one particular pair is no more exposed against the others. When market is volatile, make the money, be aggressive, but also be very defensive. 2 things are important here when market is volatile. Instead of placing many trades, place 1 trade at a time and come out and replace, or maybe 2. And also use smaller lot sizes. Or you can start with the trend with 1 big lot size to make the big hit, and then you get out of the market. But always use smaller lot sizes. It's always important to use smaller lot sizes. 4, if not sticking to your original plan, will make you to lose money. If you have a plan that you are trading with, maintain that plan. Do not change it. If you know that your trading strategy is to enter when the EMA 5 crosses and the dot is kicked, like we're seeing here. Once it crosses, you will enter. And the same way, once you see the first dot kick, you have to come out. So if there was a trade, immediately we see this, like now, you have to close that trade. Keep the original plan and stick to it. So it's important that you have a manual, you have a journal, and then you keep all your trading rules, all your affirmations in that journal, and you follow them. Over time, you will find out that you will begin to see much progress in your trading. 5, allowing trades to run too much against you, especially when you are scalping or day trading. Depending on your trading style, but always make sure that you cut your losses short or cut them early with a smaller amount, and let the profit rather run for long. That is the turnaround. Let the cut short your running losses once you see the trend against you. But if you see the trend comes for you, leave it. For example, here, if you were to enter a trade here and you follow the EMA 5 parabolic dot, and then you stay throughout the market, and when the first dot gets kicked below, signaling a buy trend, you come out from the sell, you'll find out that you have run the trade for long, so you'll be making a lot of profit. Then also, if you were to place a trade here when the EMA 5 crossed the EMA 12, you will find out that if you are still in the market, you'll be making a lot of profit. So stick to the plan. If you are using this is your trading plan, this is your trading setup. Go accordingly. Move with it. Over time, you will find out that you'll be making good money. Right. 6, it's important that as you make profit, you withdraw some of them and bank in your local bank. If you don't withdraw profits constantly, what happens is that you will overtrade that account, or you will place a bigger lot size forgetfully, and then when it goes against you, you'll find out that the trade you'll be closing bigger lot sizes. And even if you are not lucky and probably you are trading with a smaller amount and you are B booked and the account has grown and you are not withdrawing the money and they've increased the spreads for you, or there is an economic news and they have increased the spread and it goes against you, it is easy for you to lose all the profits that you have made. So it's important that you keep making quick withdrawals and bank the money in your local bank account. All right, the last one that I will talk about here is greed. Greed is the biggest problem that makes one to lose the market. You are trading and then you say, no, today I want to make this amount of market, but the market is not in that momentum. All you need to do is to be patient. You cannot move the market. This market cannot be moved by anyone. There are different factors that are moving this market. If you read the book that is attached to these videos, you will see the factors that determine the movement or influence market movement. So it's important that you always become sober. Just have a target, have the budget, and move with it. Don't be too quick and don't be too slow. And always know what you are doing. If you happen to be trading 2 or 3 accounts, you always have to make sure that you have the resources for them, different screens, because at times you may forget the account, or you can also place a bigger lot size on a smaller account if you are trading all the accounts on the same machine, on the same computer, and that can affect you. So basically, these simple things are the things that causes us to lose money. So it's important that your money management system must be strong, and that is making sure that you don't overtrade, you don't place bigger lot sizes, you don't leave your money there. Always make sure you keep withdrawing your money and bank in your local bank. And once you are doing these things and keep using same lot sizes, it doesn't matter whether the account is growing or not. Just let the account grow and let your lot sizes be in proportion to the account size. Once you practice these things over time, the greed that is associated with the market will vanish, and then you become sober and you'll be trading for the long purpose, and then the money will come. So I believe that you will follow these simple things, and then you will not lose money and make money. Thank you for being obedient.